Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about clone apps featured in Oppo F7 mobile. So let's go to setting. Hereafter scroll down. So at here you get this option clone apps. So click there. Now hereafter inside clone apps. So in my mobiles only I'm using Facebook install. So if you have installed already WhatsApp, then definitely that's a WhatsApp also. So here let's see clone apps features using Facebook. So at here this is about clone apps. So about clone apps, when clone apps is turned on, a new copy of the app will be generated on the home screen. So when you enable the clone apps feature, so new copy of app generated on the home screen, and this copy and its original can run simultaneously without affecting each other. And hereafter, second point, clone apps require supporting both apps itself and phone. If a clone app does not work properly, it means the function or operation is not supported by the app or phone. And here, third point, clone apps currently does not support data transfer between clone apps and a computer. So we cannot do data transfer between apps and computer, and clone apps currently does not support running of more than two apps or clones simultaneously. So only you can use two apps, one is original and one is clone. So let's click there. So here enable app cloning. So enable, and when I enable, so I get this message, an icon has been added to the home screen. And hereafter one more thing, enable rename clone apps. So click there and see. So at here inside, so this option is for rename. So at here you can give any meaningful name. So here I'm going to give the name FB. So that is stand for Facebook. And hereafter clicking save. Now go back home screen. So see at here, this is the original Facebook, and here this is a clone copy. So I'm going to show you first my original Facebook. So this is my original account, this pic, and hereafter going to click this option. So click on continue. So here I'm going to log in with my new user. So I just log in at here. So this is my new account. I did not add any picture or anything. So clicking skip. So this is my second Facebook account. So this is the benefit of a clone copy. So you can use two Facebook accounts. So first is original, and in clone copy you can use one more Facebook. So if you like to know how to delete, so you have to press there. So see right here, if you like to know apps info. So here I'm going to delete the clone copy of Facebook. So clicking delete. So here I'm getting the message deleting this app will also delete its data. So clicking delete or uninstall. So right here one more time I'm going to show you. how to use Chrome copy setting. Here after scroll down and here clone apps and here Facebook, here enable and here this option. So rename. So I'm not going to change this time anything. So clicking save directly and now I'm going back to home screen and here this time Facebook clone. So this with this name the clone copy generated. So now I'm going to click this option. So click continue and here give the username password and click on login. So right here I just log in with a different user. So this is the way we can use clone copy in Oppo F7 mobile. So this is a very good feature. So you can use to WhatsApp, to Facebook, to Instagram in one mobile. So this is about clone copy in Oppo F7 mobile. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt related to this video, leave your comment. Definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.